Fact number 1. Certain worms glow to attract mates or prey. Light appears in small segments. Luminescence exists quietly in dark soil. Fact number 2. Some birds can sleep during long migrations. Micro naps keep them flying. Energy and rest blend silently. Fact number 3. Certain plants trap insects with sticky leaves. Digestive fluids quietly absorb nutrients. Predators hide in beauty. Fact number 4. Sharks' teeth continuously grow and replace themselves. Loss is never permanent. Nature designs endless renewal. Fact number 5. Some crows recognize human faces and remember them. They warn others silently. Intelligence hides in plain sight.